All right, guys, welcome back to another case study. Today, we'll be looking out on Euro USD. So right now, from my buyers, I've been saying we'll buy this point. Same thing as GBP USD. Same thing I'm expecting here, right? So in my mentorship, I told my people how I'm expecting to see price deliver to this point. And so now, bottom line is, what are we expecting to see on USD? All right, so as you guys can see from this, we're on the daily time frame right now, and price has already given us a daily low. So now we'll call this our daily high, right? So if this is our daily high, right, let's just call this our daily high. So now at this point, okay, let me take it down a little bit. So this is our daily high. Now we can see, okay, yesterday being 29th of November 2023, we had this push to the downside. So now what do we expect? All right, so in all honesty, let's go down to the 4 hours. I still of taking buy side liquidity, right? Taking buy side liquidity around here. So now we're heading for the sell side liquidity. So I want to see price deliver to around this region, right? Anywhere around here. So around this region, right? For now, we don't just jump into start selling right now, else we'll be risking so much. So at this point, personally, I want to see price also rally up for a bit to, let's just say, around, price should rally up for a bit to around, let's say from here to 0.9440. That should be around somewhere here. So anywhere around this region, right? Come back down. Yeah. Deliver it, come back down. This is what I'm expecting on Euro USD. So now, let's go back to the daily time frame. You can see, okay, price already gave us around here. You can see that price gave us a fair value gap. There's a fair value gap around here. Right? There's a fair value gap around here. You guys, most of you might call it imbalance, right? But there's a fair value gap around here. So I'll call this a fair value gap, right? That needs to get filled and tested at some point before we continue selling to the downside. This is what I'm actually expecting on Euro USD. So if you go down to the 1 hour, still similar thing. We just want price to deliver into this area, a premium, then continue. So continue to the downside. So this is what I'm actually expecting. I'm anticipating price to do. Just buy for a bit, right? Fill up this point and start selling off back. So personally, if I want to enter, I'm comfortable entering around anywhere here. Risking 20 pips stop loss is not bad. I'm not entering this trade right now, but I'm just telling them to enter this trade. Risking 20 pips stop loss is not bad. To target 1:11 or even 1:10, any amount, you can take it down here to be more realistic. That's 1:9.7, which is still not bad if you ask me, right? It's really not bad if you ask me. So I'm expecting price to deliver into this region and start selling off back. That's what I'm actually anticipating on Euro USD. So I'll be posting out this video for you guys to also watch and also pay attention to. Just very simple, no much thing to do here. Just retracement, a pullback, then continuation. Simple. Pullback, continuation. No much stress on this pair. So until then, let's just see how this plays out. Just see how it plays out. As you already know, Echo is active, guys.